Hello and good day. This is David back with another video. Today I show you how I transform this old drone case and repurpose it into a brand new case for my radio controller. If that sounds like something that might interest you, I suggest you watch to the end. Thanks and have a great day. Here are this year's cookies. Where did it go, man? Oh, there it is. Here's the TSRC Q7 drone case. This is what I'm going to use it for, is the Radio Master Pocket. I really like this controller. It does have sensitive parts on it that I don't want to get broken. And I'm only got sent with this drawstring cloth bag. There's a box that came in too, but this is eyeballing it, you know what I'm saying? Something like that. We're doing this. I've got this PVC, the one that we cut off for those cookies. I'm gonna you'll see. Put a bevel on it like that. And you can kind of see I had already tested it with one of these little cookie things. Here's the chamfer is brought in a little bit. Alright, I'll fix it on the reciprocating sander. Yeah, I think that was pretty efficient. Oh, spooky ghost man! That was totally unintentional. Alright, I'm just gonna try to smooth it out the best I can and see what it looks like. Well, it should. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna glue these battery cases to the very bottom of this bad boy. There we go, that. And I'm going to set this bad boy on the top. About like that. I'm gonna glue this netting down to the backing because this is not gonna be used anymore. I really wanted to open up with that. We'll see how it works out. Let me get some glue in here. We'll see how that works. All right, so it's only been like a minute. I'm sure this is gonna stay in here. Oh wow, look at that. It's actually kind of working. Kind of. I was gonna say I've got this liquid nails that I'm gonna use otherwise. But honestly, that's not bad. Now these will get worn out a little bit as time goes on. I'll let that sit for a little while longer, and then here in a little bit I'll come back by and load the case, put all my stuff in it, and see how I feel about the final form factor and see what you guys think. I just want to take this time to thank you for watching the video to the end. Let me know what you think of the finished product down in the comments.